Dun dun dun. Everyone's sleeping, so I have to speak really quietly, but either way, guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again. Honestly though, I'm living my best life right now. Now most of it is already like coming off, but I'll still take it off because it's fun. There we go. And that's all there is. Look at how cute she is. Not really, I'm throwing this out. The fake blood I use is really sweet, so it literally tastes like strawberries. It will take me like 10 makeup wipes to take this off, so I'm gonna go wash this off. I'll be right back. Yummy. Bye-bye, lashes. Have a good day, y'all. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Yes, it is time to take this off again. My whole family's asleep because it's like 2 a.m. right now, so I'm trying to be quiet. Oh my god, I can finally see. I do like whatever it is I did to my hand here, but it's very inconvenient. Let's take it off. Nice. This makeup was so much fun to do, but oh, it took so long. Let's keep going. Ow, ow, ow. My hair's in there. It's fine, I have too much hair anyways. This entire side of my face is covered with latex, so wish me luck. I can't really move my mouth, so let's just start here. It's okay, I got this, I got this. On the good side, it's mostly gone now. And thankfully now it's just the easy part left. Nightmare fuel. And honestly, I'm not even gonna try to wash this off, I'm just gonna go shower. It's the next morning and I'm all clean now. Hey there, you little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I have to whisper because everyone's asleep. Also, while filming the previous TikTok, I somehow got all of this on my carpet and even my poor stuffed animal. I don't know how I'm gonna clean it off, but let's not think about that. Let's take this off. This is great. I'm enjoying this very much. I actually am. I look like Squidward. Ugh, I wish I could never. My favorite part. Alright guys, you go have a great day and I'm gonna go shower and clean off the carpet before my mom sees it. Please pray for me, it's not coming off. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. Y'all know the drill. I'm gonna take my contacts off first because I can't see. Much better. Oh, and if you guys didn't know, this makeup look is a part of my 7-part series for the 7 deadly sins. This is gluttony. I hope I said that right. Now for the good stuff. Lovely. I'm actually kind of proud of this one though. I'm gonna go wash my face. I'll be right back. And there we go. If you guys have questions about the products I used or just want to see the full tutorial, go ahead and click the link in my profile. Oh, and one more thing. Have a great day. Alright you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying. But no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion. Let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign. I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though. I hated the wig when I put it on and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks. Hey, what's up you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm actually pretty happy with how this turned out. So like if any zombie movies need like a zombie, y'all know who to call. I do want to take it off, but I also kind of don't. Oh, I hate wax so much. Alright, no, there's latex somewhere in there. There we go. Nice. I'm sorry. This is my new look. Going to work like this tomorrow. Get ready. Just kidding. I would get fired. Whoop. This should be nice. Never mind. Alright, there's a big piece right here. This is literally why I hate wax. It just does not come off. I will also be posting a tutorial on this look on my YouTube at some point. So check that out if you want. No pressure.
Take off my makeup with me. I'm supposed to be leaving my apartment in 4 minutes. Get the wig off. I scheduled a tour at a new apartment because my lease is up soon. And it takes a half an hour to get there. So to be on time, I have to leave in 3 minutes now. Okay, lots of gems here. We need these bad boys gone. Will my time management ever get better? The world may never know. I don't know why I always do this to myself. I just think, yeah, you know what? I can get this done quickly. And then that happens to not be the case one bit. Because you can't rush art, you guys. You just can't do it. I end up just, taking my time, not looking at the clock. And then before you know it, it's 5 minutes before I'm supposed to be at the airport. It's not my fault. It could happen to anyone. I wonder if we're gonna find my eyebrows. Now taking my makeup towel, we're just gonna erase all that hard work. Come on, eyebrows, where are ya? I'm gonna go wash my face real quick, but I gotta go. Take off my makeup with me, googly eyes edition. I guess you could say all eyes are on me. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, my eyebrow. And the contacts are stuck.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Other side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. 'Tis time to take this off again. No, is this a good makeup? No, you can see I did not blend anything. I'm sorry. From far away, maybe. Yeah, I can see that. Or can I? I can't see. My mom has seen every single one of my looks, and now she thinks I need therapy. And to be honest, I probably do. I changed the lights to help me see, but it didn't help. Ow, that kind of helps me see though. Ouch. This may be satisfying to you guys. I don't know if I can say that for myself though. So I think this one got a little bit of my eyebrow. Like right at the end, right here. I'll be fine. They're gonna grow back. Ooh, there's literally cotton in my eye. Boop. Be right back. Good to go. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the third part to my Zodiac series, and this is Aquarius. I was going for a bit of that drowned mermaid look with all the barnacles on my face. Hope you like it. But I can't stay on my face for that long, so we gotta take it off. Bye-bye, barnacle boy. Ooh. Damn, my skin is red. Ooh. Who's this? Not me. Ooh. Bye-bye. Like that. The saddest part is always taking the lashes off though. No more contacts. Gotta clean my face. My eyes are stained blue. Oh well, let's take the hair out. Wow, my hair is not purple anymore. Just kidding, it's purple. And that's it. And as always, I will post the tutorial and all the products I used on my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hello there, little freaks. It's time to take this off again. I will speak quietly because it's currently midnight and everyone is asleep. I still can't talk. What's new? And guess what, you guys? I started a YouTube channel and I will be posting a tutorial for this look on my YouTube. Boom. The link will be on my profile. Now for some good stuff. Let's get to it. Yes. That's nice. Let's take this monstrosity off. Not gonna lie, but monstrosity is a hard word to say. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is? It is time to take this off again. This is the second part to my Zodiac series, and this is Sagittarius. Did I say that right? I did not say that right. Anyways, time for the good stuff. Oh, that didn't go as expected. Let's do that again. Okay, better. There we go. Nice. There we go. And the last one. Oh, that one's in my hair, but I do be like that sometimes. I got this though. Come on. It's out. Gotta take the rest of this off. And that is all. And as always, the tutorial and all the products I used will be in my YouTube. Have a great day, you guys. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, baby, it's time to take this off again. I haven't done anything with latex for so long, it feels weird.